Ooh. I'm gonna have some work to do, install some stuff for the year, and not only that, I have to install this one as well. Okay, so we have to ask for help because we are 3 weeks before Formula Drift and I'm starting getting nervous and I have to switch the ECU and I have a lot of other problems with parts and stuff and waiting. The car is almost done, some new companies they are on board and I have to announce something big, but you guys need to waiting for a little bit. And so I called my friend Sam from 412 Motorsport and the baby is here. It's so incredible cars around here. I don't think I can show you everything, but yeah, the car is here. Sam's gonna make some stuff I need to do. He's a very good friend of mine and we're gonna do a lot of things together this year. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted. The car is gonna stay here for 2-3 days, I guess. So if you want to broke his shop to steal my car, you can come. René here, he's the driver of the exclusive cars and the big boss. The big boss. Thank you so much for the help.
You're welcome.
I cannot show you what he's doing on his E36, but they're still working and it's 10 o'clock in the night. That's gonna be super exciting. What? Yeah, getting a AC, not Jay-Z. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you know more details later. Thank you, Sam and 412 Motorsport to give me these wheels. I'm kidding. To all that help all that years to do for me, and yeah, big announcement coming soon what we're gonna do with Sam together this year.
Few inches later, day 2, day 3.
So it's Saturday. Sam was working Thursday and Friday night till late. I have to do some other stuff. He's going one by one all the wiring. Try to figure out how he's gonna connect the Holly to Link, and his brother from Lebanon, it's 4 o'clock over there, he's up for us to help and figure out all that stuff. I cannot be more thankful. So yeah, they are here. As you see, online, he's talked with his brother. We need to make it done. So he's going one by one, it's every wiring. Down here it's a mess. But yeah, we're about to try to start it. Let's see what's gonna happen. The baby's working. I'm excited. The baby's working. Sunday morning and we are back on the 412 Motorsport and some brother finished the wiring. I get out the exhaust, I connect O2 sensors. If you see the engine, it's already hot because we start the engine, pretty much not problems or anything, make all the wiring. This is you use Lambda, and we have also to have the plug for the new wiring from Formula Drift for the new lights. Super exciting about this box, and yeah, so car is working. Go like here. We have to switch the dash as well, and unfortunately we have to put the link. The Holly cannot work because Holly have locked only for their ECUs and they cannot talk to each other. And yeah, so the car is working. Let me show you. It was working. exciting. This power was so big. Anyway, I'm super excited. I'm super tired. I'm pretty sure Sam is super tired too. Thank you so much. And yeah, now we're gonna enable to connect the ECU. Please check that ECU. It's perfect. Connect anyway. Yeah, I don't know what is that. But yeah, I need to make the mount. I need to put the grounds over here. The hole need to go out, link need to go in. And one of the big pieces done. Now it's dyno time. And I think I'm gonna put nitros too. So everybody have so much power. So I think I need to have a little bit more safety, like 200, 300 shot. So yeah, I probably gonna connect the nitros. And 10 now for red line performance. I'm gonna go there and dyno the car, and yeah.
And make 500 horsepower?
Keep you posted. Yeah, with the nitros 500 total. You love LS, right?
I love that.
LS is the best.
But you have to put a turbo on them.
So Saturday night, no, Sunday night, yes, Sunday night, we finished the ECU and it's like 9 o'clock, I'm not sure. And yeah, we were about now to remove the old body kit and work to put on the new one. And I'm about to finish all the wiring and install the nitros, so I can be ready for the dyno. But at the same time, I'm in the garage and everything for the move, it's mess, and I have to fix all of that before I do that, because I don't like to work on a mess. So yeah, we need to start pushing hard, and I'm gonna remove, we're gonna remove all the panels. They're already, this side's already out. And now we need to work a little bit on the new design, the new sponsors, how it's gonna be. And I have some good surprise for you guys, some new people, new companies coming on the team, and I'm super excited about that. So yeah, wish me luck. I think I have everything in control. The days look a lot, but because I have also my daughter, it's extra difficult to, you know, accomplish everything and be a good dad. As you guys know, always on the bottom, it's so dirty, but yeah, so everything is out. 12 o'clock in the morning and long Sunday. So everything is out. The panels, it's stripped. That's the new panels. I'm gonna talk to you about that later. Almost all the wiring is done. I'm gonna reinstall everything for the nitros tomorrow. But yeah, I have some bottles here. They're ready to go. They're all filled up. This is the base. I used to have done all of that back before when I was first built this engine, and I was thinking I'm gonna spray, but we make a lot of power and we was like, okay, let's leave it that way. Now we're switching to Link and we go to Formula Drift. We need to have a little bit more power. So I think I'm not gonna spray so much, but yeah, comment below and let me know if you like normally aspirate engines with nitros. So I'd like to know what you guys wanna see. And what do you think? The engine was making 610 to the wheels. It was, I think, 750 to the crank, normally aspirate. And what do you think it's gonna make with the nitros? And how much I should spray before I blow the engine? So this engine is a high compression, so yeah, consider that too. And let me know, what do you think?